Hey everyone, it's Saim from Speak Up with Saim. Today we're embarking on a linguistic adventure to expand your vocabulary and help you speak English more fluently and confidently. We're diving into 50 advanced English words that all start with the letter B. Get ready to unlock a world of nuanced expression, impress your friends and colleagues, and take your communication skills to the next level. From banal to bombastic, we'll explore a diverse range of words that will empower you to articulate your thoughts with precision and flair. Let's begin our journey of linguistic discovery. Banal means something ordinary and unoriginal. Benevolent means kind and well-meaning. Blatant means something obvious and undisguised. Chapter 4. Boisterous. Boisterous means noisy, energetic and cheerful. Chapter 5. Bombastic. Bombastic refers to language that's inflated and impressive. Chapter 6. Bucolic. Bucolic means relating to a pleasant countryside. Chapter 7. Bifurcate. Bifurcate means to divide something into two branches. Chapter 8. Bellicose. Bellicose means demonstrating aggression and willingness to fight. Chapter 9. Blithe. Blithe means showing a casual and cheerful indifference. Chapter 10. Byzantine. Byzantine means excessively complex, typically of a system or process. Chapter 11. Beseech. Beseech means to ask someone urgently and fervently to do something. Chapter 12. Bravado. Bravado means a bold manner or a show of boldness. Chapter 13. Brusque means abrupt or offhand in speech or manner. Chapter 14. Burgeon means to begin to grow or increase rapidly. Chapter 15. Buttress means to increase or strengthen something. Chapter 16. Bane means a cause of great distress or annoyance. Chapter 17. Beguile means to charm or enchant someone. Chapter 18. Beleaguer means to lay siege to something. Chapter 19. Benign. Benign means gentle and kind. Chapter 20. Bequeath. Bequeath means to leave something to someone by a will. Chapter 21. Blanch. Blanch means to make something white or pale. Chapter 22. Bluster means to talk in a loud, aggressive or indignant way. Chapter 23. Boon means a thing that is helpful or beneficial. Chapter 24. Braggadocio means boastful or arrogant behavior. Chapter 25. Brevity. Brevity means concise and exact use of words in writing or speech. Chapter 26. Broach. Broach means to raise a subject for discussion. Chapter 27. Bromide. Bromide means a trite and unoriginal idea or remark. Chapter 28. Buffoon. Buffoon means a ridiculous but amusing person. Chapter 29. Burlesque. Burlesque means a comic imitation of something serious. Chapter 30. Byzantine. Byzantine means excessively complex, typically of a system or process. Chapter 31. Bifurcation means the division of something into two branches or parts. Chapter 32. Blasphemy means the act or offense of speaking sacrilegiously about God or sacred things. Chapter 33. Bludgeon means to beat someone repeatedly and violently with a blunt weapon. Chapter 34. Bombard means to attack someone continuously with something. Chapter 35. Bonhomie means cheerful friendliness, geniality. Chapter 36. Boorish means rough and bad-mannered, coarse. Chapter 37. Bravura. Bravura means great technical skill and brilliance shown in a performance or activity. Chapter 38. Breach. Breach means an act of breaking or failing to observe a law, agreement, or code of conduct. Chapter 39. Bristle. Bristle means to react angrily or defensively. Chapter 40. Brogue. Brogue means a strong outdoor shoe with decorative punched holes. Chapter 41. Brusqueness. Brusqueness means the quality of being abrupt or offhand in speech or manner. Chapter 42. Bucolic. Bucolic means relating to the pleasant aspects of the countryside and country life. Buffoonery means behavior that is ridiculous but amusing. Burgeoning means beginning to grow or increase rapidly, flourishing. Buttressing means to increase or strengthen something. Chapter 46. Byzantine. Byzantine means excessively complex, typically of a system or process. Chapter 47. Bifurcated. Bifurcated means divided into two branches or parts. Blasphemous means sacrilegious against God or sacred things. Bludgeoning means to beat someone repeatedly and violently with a blunt weapon. Bombastic means high-sounding but with little meaning, inflated. That concludes our lexical exploration of 50 advanced English words starting with B. I hope you found this video both informative and engaging. Remember, expanding your vocabulary is an ongoing journey. Practice using these words in your everyday conversations and writing to truly make them your own. Your enhanced vocabulary will undoubtedly impress those around you and boost your confidence in expressing yourself. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Speak Up with Saim for more amazing content.